Hi all you gorgeous people out there, welcome back to my channel Panache. Today I'm back again with a new video, and today's video is going to be an affordable makeup haul. I know affordable is very subjective. What could be affordable to you may not be affordable to me, and vice versa. But today I have picked up products which I thought were worth the price, and I have tried and tested these products and I know they work wonderfully. So that's why I'm making this video today, and also because of a lot of festivals coming up in the future and wedding season, etc. I'm sure this video is going to be helpful for people who really want to build their makeup kit and want some recommendations on how to do their makeup themselves. I'm sure this video is really going to be helpful. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please show some love, guys. Please spread some love, talk to me and let me know if you like this video, and if you want me to create any other type of videos, I'll be more than happy to do that. And also, please do not forget to check my Insta page. It's called Panache.makeupartist. I also post a lot of stuff over there, so please do follow me there. So without any further ado, let's begin with this video. First up, I have a primer. Now, primer is something that you apply below your foundation. Okay, for primer, I have this recommendation. Now, primer is something which is really optional. You need not really apply primer. If you have a good moisturizer, that works best. But if you really want to amp up your makeup game, and also you want your foundation to last longer, or if you have open pores, you can use a primer. Now, this is a silicone based primer. This is from Blue Heaven. I'll put up a close-up picture, so you get an idea of what the packaging is all about, how it looks. The prices also will be mentioned. I got this for $1.99, and I've got most of these products from Amazon. And I will also put the details of these products in the description box below, so please check it out. So this is a primer, very nice. It's a silicone based primer. I've applied it today, and then I've applied my foundation. It works really well in filling up your pores and gives you a nice smooth canvas for your base makeup. I have also made a video on how to do your base makeup. You can check out the I button out there, and you will see how I do that. Okay, and let's move on. Next up, I have foundation. Now, for foundation, I have two recommendations. One is this one. This is the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Foundation. I'm in the shade Warm Beige. This is a beautiful, awesome foundation. It gives a full coverage, and it really covers up all your, if you have any pigmentation, any acne marks, etc. It really gives a very good coverage. So if you're looking for a full coverage foundation, this is the one you should go for. It is a Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte. Since it's a primer come matte, you need not even buy a primer. You can just go ahead with this foundation. It works wonderfully. So you can try this out. I got this for $4.75. and I think this is really affordable. I've been using this a lot. I've used it today also, and it is really beautiful. Highly recommend. Next up, I have another foundation. This is by Miss Claire. It's called the Everyday Foundation. Now, this foundation is a medium coverage foundation. If you're a person who doesn't want a full coverage, you just want a slight bit of coverage, you can go with this. It's really nice. It blends well. It stays on your face for a very long time, and it's very nice. And as it says, natural weightless foundation, it is actually weightless. You do not feel that as if you've applied foundation on your face. So this is also another great recommendation. This is for $3.25. Okay, next up I have concealer. Now, concealer, I have the Swiss Beauty concealer. This is the one. Okay, I got this for $170. You can apply this concealer under your eyes. Okay, or you can use a darker concealer if you want to conceal your acne marks and then apply the foundation. So you can see the video that I have made. I have explained everything properly in that. But this is a concealer that I really recommend. It blends beautifully and does not make your makeup look cakey. See, I put it under my eyes today also, and it has blended very nicely and has covered up all the dark circles, etc. Everything very well. Now, this is also optional. If you're a person who does not have dark circles, you need not really buy a concealer. You can just go with the foundation and you'll be good to go. Next up, I have a compact powder. Now, this is a compact powder from Faces Canada. This is your Weightless Stay Matte Compact, okay, with shea butter. it's very nice just to set your makeup. If you just want to set your makeup after applying the foundation, you can use this particular compact. It's really nice, and it will keep your face nice and matte and transfer proof. So it's better to use a powder after applying a foundation so that your makeup doesn't transfer onto your mask or to your phone while you're talking, and it keeps it, and it makeup also stays put, it does not budge. So this is another great recommendation, Faces Canada Weightless Matte Compact. I got this for $1.99. Next up, I have this Fit Me Mattless Matte and Cordless powder by Maybelline. Now this is a compact again, but what I did is I got a darker shade in this. Okay, this is the shade Toffee. I got a darker shade in this, and I use this as my contour today. See, you need not really buy a bronzer or a contour. You can always go do something like this. You can buy a compact and use it as a contour. Buy a little darker shade compact and use it as a contour. It works absolutely well. Okay, I got this for $129. I think it is really worth the price. It's beautiful. It has given me a nice, this contour over here. I've put it on my nose as well, and it looks really nice. Very nice. So highly recommend this too. This is also something that is optional. If you are into contouring and if you want to get into, doing your contour very well, you can probably go for this. Otherwise, you can skip this. Next up, I have this blush. Now this is a blush that I got from Blue Heaven. This is such a gorgeous blush. Just look at this. It's got a very nice mauvey tint. I've applied this blush again today, and this blush has also got slight shimmer. So if you do not want to apply a highlighter over after the blush, you can just directly use this blush, and it's going to give you that glow as well. So I've applied this blush today, and I've also used a highlighter over that, but you can do with this itself. It's really beautiful, very pigmented, very nice. Highly recommend this too. I got this for $129. Next up, I have this eyeshadow. Now for eyeshadows, again I have two recommendations. Okay, I got one eyeshadow palette from Mars. This is the one. Okay, this is the Mars 9 color eyeshadow palette. I got this for $199. You can look at the shades. I've created this smoky eye look today using this palette. It's such a beautiful, versatile palette. It's got such beautiful shades. You can see. You can create a nice simple nude makeup. You can just create something like this, a smoky eye, anything. It's really beautiful and really versatile. I got this for $199. And another recommendation that I have is from Swiss Beauty. This is again a 9 color eyeshadow palette, and these are the shades. You can see such beautiful, gorgeous shades. So very nice. You can go for this also. This is again for $199. Okay, next up I have a Swiss Beauty eyeliner. This is the eyeliner that I used today to create this wing. It's a very beautiful eyeliner. I have used this time and again. I'm sure you're going to get fed up of me talking about this, but it's a beautiful eyeliner. It makes your eyeliner game very easy. If you're a beginner, it's going to really help you a lot. So you can try this and let me know how it worked for you. Okay, I got this eyeliner for $122. Next up, I have a Kajal. Now this is the Kajal that I got. This is a Nykaa Kajal. It's a very nice Kajal. It's called the Rock the Line Kajal. This is a Kajal that I used today. Very beautiful Kajal. It's very easy to even apply this and then smudge it. So it gives you a nice smudged effect. I use this on my eyelid over here and also on my waterline. It looks beautiful. It's really nice. Very good pigmentation. Very easy to work with, especially if you're doing a smoky eye. Okay, so I got this Kajal for $199, and this I got from Nykaa. Everything else I got from Amazon. Next up, I have a Blue Heaven eyebrow pencil. Now this is a beautiful eyebrow pencil. It's so nice. This is the tip. You can see this is the tip. It's really beautiful to work with, and the other end it has a spoolie, so you can brush your eyebrow and give it a nice good effect. It looks really nice and very easy to work with. So this is the eyebrow pencil that I got. I got this for $140. Next up, I have a Swiss Beauty highlighter. This is a highlighter palette. You can see it's so beautiful, gorgeous. I've applied this today on top, on my nose. It's really nice. It gives a very nice healthy glow. It's such a beautiful highlighter. This is again optional. If you do not want to buy a highlighter, you can simply use the shimmer shade that is there in the eyeshadow palette that I showed you, the Mars eyeshadow palette. You can just use one of those shades and it will work very well too. See, it's got these two shimmer shades. You can use this as your highlighter. You need not really invest in a separate highlighter. That highlighter that I got from Swiss Beauty was for $226, and it's really nice. If you want to invest in one, it's really nice. You should go for it. Next up, I have this beautiful lip pencil. This is from In Color. I've applied it today on my lips. It's such a gorgeous shade. It's really so beautiful. You can see the shade. It really, if you're a person who really wants to line your lips before applying lipstick, because it gives a very good precision to your lipstick. If you just apply the lipstick and you will not really get that precision. So it's very good to apply a lip liner and then fill it up with the lipstick. So this is what I did today. This is the lip liner that I use. It's awesome. The pigmentation is really good. And this is one, and I just got this for 49 rupees, that's all, and it's beautiful, really worth it. Highly recommend this too. Next up, I got this lip crayon from Mars. This is also such a gorgeous lip crayon. This is not the shade I used today. I used a lip liner and I filled it up with the lip liner itself, but this is another beautiful gorgeous shade. It's very nice, and these lip pencils last forever. You apply them on your lips and you're good to go. It lasts for at least about, I think, 7 to 8 hours, even if you eat and drink anything. It's really beautiful. Highly recommend this lip pencil, lip crayon. I got this for $1.99. It's very nice, and they have gorgeous shades, so you can check them out. Okay, next up I have this makeup fixer. This is something that you can apply after you've done your makeup. You can also apply it as a primer. So you need not invest in a primer and a makeup fixer. You can use this as your primer, do your makeup, and again apply this as your makeup fixer, and your makeup is really going to stay put throughout the day. It's really going to look beautiful. It's not going to budge. It's going to look really nice and flawless. So this is next up the makeup fixer that I'm talking about. This is from Swiss Beauty, and I got this for $184. It's really nice, really worth the price. Last but not the least, I'm going to talk about the makeup tools that I have got from Amazon. Now this is one brush set that I got from Amazon. This is the Swiss Beauty 6 face brush set. It's a face brush as well as eye brushes. It has both. You can see the brushes. They are really beautiful. I have done my entire makeup today only using these brushes and this beauty blender. You can see the state of this beauty blender. If you do not want to use a beauty blender, because beauty blender actually absorbs a lot of your foundation, so if you do not want to use a beauty blender, but I prefer using a beauty blender because it gives a nice, it doesn't give a cakey finish, so that's why I prefer using a beauty blender. And if you do not want to use a beauty blender, you can buy this kit. It has the face brush, eye brush, everything. I've done my entire makeup today using this, and it is really beautiful. I got this entire kit for about $6.90. So which comes to about 115 per brush, which is awesome, and the quality is really top notch. I think it's highly recommended. You can do your makeup. I've done this this bold smoky eye with this makeup with these brushes, and I've also tried so many other makeup looks with using these brushes. Really nice. So this is another highly recommended product. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you liked this video, and please do let me know in the comments if you liked, what are the products that you liked and what you thought would be best for you to buy. And if you want me to create any other videos, please do let me know. Please do comment. I am listening and I will respond, and I will try to do my best in making the videos that you want me to create. So let's end this video by saying stay safe, stay strong, and stay happy. Love you all so much. See you all very soon in my next video. Bye bye.